the Diplomatic Corps, and our international partners for development. Of course, our Transportation Secretary, Secretary G.B. Bautista, members of the Senate, members of the Cabinet. We have the mayor also here because the project goes through your constituency, as many others as well, and my fellow workers in government, and of course our very staunch partners in development, the private sector. Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. It was only last April when we gathered for the signing of two other contract packages for the South Commuter Railway Project of the North-South Commuter Railway System. Now, as we hold the signing of contract packages S-01, S-03A, and S-03C, we continue to show the commitment to realizing the dream of a more efficient and inclusive public transportation system that every Filipino deserves. Thus, allow me to recognize the DOTr once again for reaching this milestone major investment. With the signing of these three contract packages that cover a total of around 14.9 kilometers of at-grade and railway viaduct structures, we will be a step closer to our goal of serving around 800,000 commuters daily by 2029. I likewise thank our development partners, the Asian Development Bank, the Japan International Cooperation Agency, for actively partnering with us in building our plans for the country. Let me also, of course, express my gratitude to the PT Adhi Karya, Persero, and PT PP Persero Tbk Joint Venture, the Leighton Contractors Asia Limited, the First Balfour Incorporated Joint Venture, for working with us on these sections covered by the contracts that we have signed today. I cannot emphasize, first of all, our gratitude for your support, but because these are crucial, and it is important that we have the right partners as this government continues to work to provide our people with the infrastructure that we feel is needed for our development. Your expertise and experience in construction will help realize this NSCR project. I am also happy to note that we are anticipating the generation of approximately 3,000 jobs once civil works for these sections begin. While that is the case, we must also recognize the plight of informal settler families who will be affected by the project, as well as the disturbances that the construction of the NSCR system will cause. So we are continuously conscious in the national government and of course the local governments to ensure that those needing assistance are attended to. These are the inevitable consequences of this large project, but it is something that we have to go through if we are going to complete the projects as they have been designed, and we will be able to reap the benefits in the longer term. I also urge all concerned agencies to work together to address the potential challenges concerning project right-of-way, such as the need for land acquisition and the relocation of utility poles installed along the area, so that the affected properties are cleared in time for the commencement of civil works. I likewise urge everyone involved in the project to spare no effort to complete this monumental task for the benefit of generations to come. To our citizens, I also seek all your continued patience and understanding as you encounter interruptions from the constructions that we are undertaking. I know that it is our collective longing to create a society that works for the people, that will open bigger opportunities for our children. So let us all remain united in this endeavor as we pursue initiatives with the long-term end in mind. We look at these contract packages with great optimism and renewed hope for our country's future. Maraming salamat sa inyo lahat. Magandang umaga sa inyo lahat. Congratulations to the DOTr, to all our partners, our international partners, for this very important legacy flagship project. Maraming salamat po.
Certain part nag-start na, no, from Clark hanggang Manila, no. Yung Manila going to Calamba, nag-start na kami na mag-alis ng release 2 Mondays ago, no. Inalis namin yung release sa Santa Rosa para makapag-start na yung construction ng elevated viaduct, no. So nag-start na yung trabaho na yan ngayong July, no. Ay, ito pag natapos tong project na to, talaga namang makakabawas to ng traffic, no? Kasi 800,000 passengers a day, instead of driving their cars, no, instead of taking other modes of transport, magte-train na lang sila, no? Mas mabilis, mas maginhawa, no? So napakagandang proyekto para sa ating mga mamamayan, no? This will really result to the realization of the promise of the President, no, to provide comfortable, convenient, affordable, accessible and safe transport experience to our passengers, no?